So this is EndeavourOS Mercury. This is the latest release. This is the download mirrorless. So I already downloaded the ISO. It's approximately 3 gigs in size. And this is the version here, 25.02.08. So I'll be installing this in a desktop computer. I already created a bootable USB drive. I'm going to select the first option. So this is the welcome menu. There are 2 sections, install and general info. And you can click on any one of these. I'll start the installer. So there are 2 options, online and offline. So if you choose the offline method, it will give you the KDE desktop environment and no internet connection is needed. So on the online method, you can choose your desktop environment. I'm going to select online. And it's using the Calamares installer. So the language is already selected, which is English. This is location. This is keyboard layout and settings. So here you can choose your desktop environment. I'm going to select Xfce 4. And here are the packages. You can just click on the drop-down tab and you can check any one of these. So here's where I have to select a bootloader option. I'm going to leave it as default, grub. This is the partition section. I'm going to select erase disk. I'll select swap the file. Choose BTRFS. I'll create an account. And I'm going to use the same password for the administrator account. So installation is complete. I'm going to restart the computer. Okay, I'm going to log in. So on the welcome menu, there's general info. These are some install options. You can update mirrors here. You can update packages here. There's package cleanup and configuration. Change display manager. So here I can choose one of the wallpapers. I can also download more wallpapers. This is a classic, and here are some more wallpapers. So there's assistant, there's tips, and here you can add more apps. I'm going to select choose popular apps to install. This is some office options. So this is favorites. This is recently used. This is all applications. This is accessories. Development. Graphics. Internet. Multimedia. Settings. System. I'll open the file manager. I'll create a new folder. Right-click the folder, click on Properties. I can choose emblems. So Firefox is the default web browser. So this is the version of Firefox 135.0. So on the top panel, I'll right-click the panel, select Panel, Panel Preferences. So these are some of the settings. So on the panel on the top right side, this is the network icon. This is the speaker icon. You click on Settings. This is the Power Manager. This is Notifications. This is the time and date. So I'm going to check what's the kernel version. I'll type uname R. So the kernel version is 6.13.2. I'll see if htop was installed. So I'll install htop. I'll type sudo pacman s htop. So I'll open the Settings Manager. So I'll open System. And these are some of the system apps. So this was just a quick overview of EndeavourOS. So I want to thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.